Hello, kids, let's learn tables of 1, 2, and 3. Subscribe to my channel. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 10 is 10. Let's learn table of 2. Respected parents, I need your support, so please subscribe to my channel. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Hello kids, let's learn table of 3. Subscribe to my channel. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 8s are 24 3 9s are 27. Subscribe to my channel. 3 10s are 30. Thanks for watching ABC Land of Learning.